like I said, giving my all to it this year. If it doesn't succeed this year, then I know to give it up. But in order for me to try to make it succeed, I have to give it my all. This whole time, it's in the recording. This whole time. Can't have you babysitting. Your thingy in it, so it's gonna you're putting in hot water nice, so you don't need to defrost it. Get the other pot and put in there something. It's not Dollar Tree no more. What? Ask her that.
And she took some today, the way she got them.
So the kale disappeared. Look at that. It just up and disappeared.
Wow.
What?
What the hell?
Who's ready?
No. Yes.